All right, welcome back, mates. Crypto Leverage Trading Group. Hope everybody's doing well on this Tuesday, Altcoin Tuesday. We are back after a little bit of a travel break, and it never fails. Never fails. You go on a travel break, and the crypto markets collapse, more or less. Happens every time. Every time. Stay off the West Coast. Stay on the East Coast. But here we are. We are back, and we are going to hit up some altcoins this morning. Matic. I have here the chart that's open from last week. Remember, I did a video last week, Matic, and we said to keep an eye on Matic, and this is what's happened. Okay, obviously in the midst of all the other chaos that's happened on last Thursday, Friday, Saturday with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and everything. Even kept up here. We've got this from the last video where we were. Okay, right here at the end, and this is what we are now. Okay, we're going to open this back up. We're going to talk about it. Now we're reaching the other end that we want to be concerned of. Okay, we're going to be concerned about high RSI levels. Okay, on these 4-hour charts. All right, because now we've broken through. We're at like 240-ish, 240 channel. This ascent has been going on now for most of the morning. Obviously, you can see this here. Obviously, these are 4-hour candles, so you can see what's been happening here. Obviously, it's getting ahead of itself. Now, it's already broken through the 127, I guess, was the fib extension. It's already broken through that 219 level. That's really what the fib was from last week. I think it was 219. Might have been 229, but I think it's 219. Already broken through that. Okay, so now we're looking at the IO map for the on-chain metrics, and we're at new highs. Right, so we have nothing. We are in new price discovery right now. Okay, you can see this here already, right here on this candle, because we have nothing in this area. Okay, we have no resistance, because we're in new price discovery. We're at an all-time high, in terms of this 4-hour candle. So you have to use your MRI, which is a momentum reversal indicator. Okay, that tells you, okay, wait, things have gotten a little overheated. Hey, well done, Matic. But, it's got ahead. We've seen this with Cardano, okay? We've seen this with Uniswap. We've seen this with plenty of cryptos, okay? Dogecoin. Seen this with them. You get that. You get above new price discovery. FOMO comes in, and then, okay. So you have to be cautious at this point. Obviously, we're all the way from here. We're from the 70-cent range all the way up to north of the 250 range. Okay, so obviously that is a great for spot traders, a great return. Leverage traders, great return for a week. Right, you got to be smart. All right, and you got to look at it and be like, okay, time to hedge where we are. Okay, and what we mean by that is it's time to look for a sell down opportunity. Okay, on this aggressive ascension. There's nothing wrong with that. There's nothing wrong with taking products. If you're a spot trader, maybe take half off. Maybe take 25% out, sell 25% or 50%, take your profit, keep the rest in your bag or in your stack. If you're a leverage trader, you've got, again, two options. One, go ahead and exit your up trade, take the profit and run, or keep that trade open and enter a sell down, okay, to protect you from any whip back going back down, which also gives you the ability to capture any more gains on your up entry if it climbs back above 250, okay? Now, those are two options. That's called a straddle, all right? And that's what you can do. And that's how you have to play this now. I mean, you've now gotten a little bit ahead of itself. IO map no longer is going to help you, okay? Because there's no, other than the accumulation that's happening in this FOMOing, you don't really have a lot of accumulation bubbles on the on-chain to support where you are. You've got to look back down here, 165 to 175 for support right now. And so that's how you want to approach these things. So great trade, great move for all those who got in Matic last week, whether you bought on spot or you bought on leverage. Great 10-day play. Obviously, that's how we like to do them. Even though Bit7 is still down and we're not trading on Bit7, still like to use that mentality, okay, of a 10-day market trade in a particular crypto. Where is she going to be in 10 days? Okay, that's how you play that. So great trade for everyone. But again, now is the time for you to play the whip back or the profit taking that's going to exist in Matic. All right, mates.